Yeah, receiving you loud and clear. You still didn't give me enough time to get the aerial up and switch it on.
Hi, roger on that. Yeah, that's fine, over.
Roger that. Onto scratch corner then.
10-4.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
1, calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21, receiving loud and clear.
Tango 21, receiving you scratchy like you'd expect from Scratchy Corner.
Roger, well I'm just moving out from under the trees now, so this should be a bit better.
Okay, and right, if you'd like to move on to the level crossing, over.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, receiving.
Yes, talk a bit closer to it. Tango 21 receiving, over.
Yeah, a bit closer to the mic.
Yes, you're alright on that. If you'd like to move on to Kelby, over.
Yep, roger, will do.
You 21.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, receiving.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21, that is unreadable, I know you're there. Try to just try another position while I talk to you, over.
Yeah, roger, any better?
Okay, I can just about get every third word, so if you'd like to move on now to Broadby level crossing, over.
Yeah, roger, will do.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Nothing heard, I did hear a bit of changing carrier.
Tango 21, I'm receiving you loud and clear, I'll read.
Tango 21, nothing received.